Hello everyone, I'm Michael from NovaStar, the regional director of NovaStar Europe team. Welcome to visit our booth in AJ160. This year we have a lot of new products, and here I'm going to introduce you our HDR solutions, high dynamic range for the LED industry. From here we make a contrast from left and the right side with disable and enable of high dynamic range. You will see the difference and the advantage we can bring to your LED wall. And I have to say, this year we prepared more things. Over here we will see a new hardware limits HDR master. Currently, lots of clients they say they know we support HDR, but they don't have the really high dynamic range video source. We offer this possibility that you just give a normal video source. Our HDR master will help you to change it to HDR resource. So from the beginning to the end, we offer a complete solution. For more information, welcome to visit our website www.novastar.tech.